In this video you will see how to edit footer in PPT. In PowerPoint you can edit the footer by clicking on the footer and then type what you want. However, the change made in the footer will be applicable to only that slide. If you want to change the footer on all the slides in PowerPoint, then you need to click here on the Insert tab and you will see the option of header and footer. You can edit the footer using this option. Just click on it and you will see this header and footer window. If you already have a footer, you will see the footer is on and the text typed in the footer. So if you want to change footer on all the slides, for example, let's say we will type here PowerPoint footer and you need to click on apply all to make changes to all the slides, and if you click on apply, the change will be made to the current slide only. So after clicking on apply to all, if you go to the next slide, as you can see here, the PowerPoint has automatically updated the new footer on the new slide. So if I even insert the new slide, you will see the same footer appears on the new slide as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to PowerPoint. See you again in the next one.